What is up, guys? Dallas here. We are back with another YouTube video today, and today's video, it's going to be a good one. It's going to be a fun one. We are going through a real big change with our truck. We're going to be loading up that front bumper by C4 Fabrication, and we're going to be taking our truck to our good friends over at R4T down in Denver. Yeah, we've been waiting for this bumper transformation for quite some time now, and we are finally getting it done. I could have done it myself, and I was going to do it myself with my neighbor and stuff, but I wanted to leave it to the professionals. With this bumper that we're doing, we have to cut up off the whole front of the grill, take a couple sensors out, lose my fog lights, all that kind of good stuff. But I really wanted to leave it to the professionals over at R4T, my good friends, because I trust them completely with my truck. They've been taking care of me for about a year and a half now, and been pretty much taking my truck there down in Denver, and pretty much just having them take control with our modifications to our truck. It is going to be our first modification for 2026, and it's going to be a big modification for 2026, and very exciting one. I have been wanting this bumper for quite some time now, honestly, since I've had my 2.5 gen Tacoma way back in about 5 years ago. Never got it, ended up selling my Tacoma for this Tundra, and it's finally happening. So I am not gonna unwrap the bumper, actually. I'm gonna load it up. My neighbor's gonna come and help me load up this bumper, and I'm just gonna have my friends over at R4T pretty much just do the revealing, and I'm gonna see it here in a couple days, exactly what it looks like on my truck. I really wanna look at it, but I'm just gonna build the suspense for myself and pretty much let them do the work. And when I see it and when I pick it up in a couple days, and there it is. So yeah. All right, well, here she is. Here's the bumper, or here's the truck, looking OEM plus. Of course, we've taken some of our gear off, but we wanted to start the year off nice with a big old transformation. It's kind of dark out, obviously, of course. I just got home from work. We're gonna go ahead and, of course, we're gonna be removing this whole front grille, and I didn't want to touch anything with dealing with these sensors, the fog lights, pretty much relocating a lot of stuff, and I didn't trust myself cutting directly across and then having to install that bumper up front right then and there. They can do it in a day, and it'd probably take me 2 weeks to do it. And of course, you guys know my wife and I are having a baby very soon, and I didn't want my truck to be out of commission with me installing the front bumper by myself or with myself and my neighbor. I need this thing done fast, professionally, and pretty much I know who to call, and that's Running for Tacos down in Denver. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this truck down to Denver tomorrow. We're gonna go ahead and load this bumper up, my neighbor and I, whenever he gets here in a few minutes, and we're gonna leave it off from there. So this video will be a couple days. I just want to tell you guys and show you guys, yeah. As you see, we do have our other gear right here, and I am completely naked, although my truck is completely naked. So there's the front bumper. We've had it here at my house for the last 2 to 3 weeks. We got it delivered from a nice box truck, and I showed you guys before, I think I did. It was boxed up. Yeah, and here's all the other parts that was in there. Honestly, the wrapping was a 10 out of 10. Really not gonna lie, and it's not as heavy as I thought it was gonna be, but we're gonna go ahead and load the truck up here shortly. We got our truck bed empty completely. We got all of our integral panels all around. We got our integral straps. We're gonna be using that to pretty much secure this front bumper. So I'm pretty stoked on using my integral straps. If you guys don't know them, they're a local Colorado company, and Integral Truck is doing amazing things. So stay tuned for them. I know this video is all about my front bumper. I just want to show you guys the cleanliness of my pickup. With it being naked and empty, it is a little dirty, but you know, tonneau covers, they don't always keep the water out. But here's my integral panels. I got a full size, half size. I got my strap back there. I got 2 full size integral panels, another strap, and then a half size panel, and then a full size panel. These panels are the world's only locking panels for your red storage boxes. So yeah, look at that. Whoo. It keeps right, it's pretty nice because it stays right on the inside of your wheel well. It doesn't affect anything. So take a look at that. Well, since I'm waiting for my neighbor, I might as well just show you this demonstration. So I got my half pack out and got my full size panel, but watch this. There you go. So this full size panel can mount 2 half size pack outs and 1 full size pack out. And then that half size panel right there can only mount a half size pack out. It can't do the full size. So yeah, my pack out in, I'm gonna go ahead and lock this guy just like that. Boom. That's not going anywhere. So real nice, it keeps my tools and gear secured. So I just wanted to show you guys that. I really thought this system is really good. We've had it in our truck for the last 1.5 years and I love it so far, and I pretty much decked up my whole truck with our Integral truck panels. So if you guys don't know them, visit them, integraltruck.com. I'll also leave a link down below where you can go ahead and get these panels for your pickup as well. They have them for GMCs, Chevys, Rams, Fords, and I believe Jeeps as well. Yeah, they got some cool stuff coming out this year, so stay tuned. And just like that, our C4 bumper is in the back of my truck. So if you guys ever wondered if a full-size bumper from C4 fits in your truck, it sure does. Just like that. Everything fits. I'm stoked. Thanks and shout out to my neighbor for helping me. It wasn't actually that heavy, so everything worked out. Now we're gonna go ahead and get some rest tonight and drive our truck down to Denver and get this bad boy on. Good morning, guys. It is the day of our install, so it is pretty early. My wife's car is on, it's running. We're gonna go ahead and get my truck started and head our way out over to the boys at Running for Tacos. So bumper's all secured, ready to go. You guys have no idea how excited I am and how pumped I am for R4T installing this bumper. I'm so stoked. I am ready to take it there and ready to get my truck back looking completely different for 2026. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and load up and drive on down to Denver. So we made it down to R4T. I am sitting in my pickup. I gotta go and drop my key in, drop this fob off, and have the boys over at Running for Tacos do its thing. So if you guys don't know who Run for Tacos is, they are a Toyota outfitter down in Denver, I believe off of Washington Street or Ave. I'm not too familiar with Denver, but they specialize in Toyota vehicles, Lexus, all that good stuff. Yeah, give them a call. They can definitely help you out. They've been helping me out with my build. So super professional. They have lots of questions that they can answer for you, lots of knowledge, and teach you lots of education on honestly anything you can think of: wiring, off-roading, you know, bumper installs, tires, wheels, all that kind of stuff. So hit them up down in Denver, Running for Tacos. They don't only just do Tacomas, they do everything else in that Toyota field and Lexus field. So yeah, hit them up. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and drop off my keys or my key and leave it to the boys. So I'm pretty stoked to get the truck back, and we'll take a look at the truck one more time. All right, here she is one last time with my OEM Tundra front bumper. It's gonna be sick, so I'm pretty freaking stoked. Yeah, gonna love it. It's gonna be exciting, so we'll see how it looks when it comes out. I'll take a video. I won't be here for the install, so that's unfortunate. I have work to do. So yeah, gonna get this guy in and get her loaded up, or get her finished and all that kind of stuff. So bumper is safe, made it. Some paper flew around, but it's all good. Thank you to R4T for taking care of us. Our truck looks good. You guys spent some man hours today, and I definitely appreciate you guys. So shout out to you guys. Again, guys, if you guys don't know who R4T is, they are a Toyota specialist shop down in Denver. So definitely hit them up, ask them all the questions that you have for them. And yeah, I'm just in awe right now with the work that they've done. My truck looks absolutely sick. They pretty much built up my truck the last few months, and I couldn't be happier. So we are finally home. Truck's been in the garage for a few days, and now we're ready for that bumper transformation. We have the garage closed. I just wanted to show you guys before I open it. It is cold outside. Oh man, let's go. I'm gonna open the garage after a second. I just want to give you guys a side profile view of what it looks like. Boom, look at that. Amazing. Boys at R4T did such a great job. The cuts are nice and straight. Everything is perfect. I couldn't be happier with this install. We have a lot more clearance now up in the front. It looks absolutely wicked. And yeah, having a full-size front bumper just like this is a lot of commitment, and I'm happy I did it. So let's go open the garage real quick and I just show you. Look how much space I have. I mean, I can reverse a lot more back there, but just showing you, this looks absolutely amazing. I love it. Now I just need some headlights and obviously fill in a lot of the pockets. But yeah, let's go open the garage and see exactly what it looks like from the front, I guess. All right, the moment of truth. Here she is. Look at it. Absolutely amazing. Lots of empty pockets. I can fit a 30-inch light bar right up the center. I can also put a winch right here, and then some fog lights. I'd have to put, I could probably put like 3 per side. And then I didn't realize you can actually put lights up here, or maybe an antenna, I suppose. But yeah, ladies and gentlemen, this is the C4 Fabrication full size front bumper with a mid-height hoop. So I always thought this hoop looked and made the bumper. Some other guys, they rock the hybrid bumper, but they don't have a hoop at all. So I think it really complements pretty much the whole vehicle. So this looks absolutely amazing. Oh man, I can't wait to fill this out with some lights. Make it look just, I don't know, it just completes it. But this bumper really just completes my truck. And yeah, what are your guys' thoughts? Is it a yay or nay? What's your favorite bumper? Personally, for me, I've loved the C4 hybrid bumper for years. Wanted it in my 2.5 Gen Tacoma, but I never did it. So glad I sold that truck, got this truck, and yeah, this Tundra is pretty much coming a reality, a dream. Putting all the favorite parts, tires, everything on that I've always wanted. Yeah, looks absolutely amazing. Our suspension as well, love it. So comment down below on what you think that we should do next to our truck. All right, so I got the garage closing. You saw what it looks like. Let me know your guys' thoughts on it. I'm speechless. Like I said previously, the boys at R4T did such a great job, 10 to 100 times better than what I would have been able to do. Yeah, I am completely happy with it. Yeah, that's pretty much all she wrote. So maybe I should get a bumper in the back as well, you know, kind of match the aesthetic now with the truck. But it's looking pretty dang good. If you guys made it to the end of this video, I appreciate you guys a lot. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, please let me know. You already know it. I will leave the link down below to this exact bumper. Check out C4 Fabrication's website. They have amazing things happening. I also will leave my Linktree link down below. Get all the goods, discounts, all that kind of stuff. If you have any questions, you guys know where to find me. And peace.